Imagine this. You're returning home from a trip abroad. At the airport, a border officer stops you. They take your phone. They start searching everything. Most people in this situation make one mistake, and it costs them everything. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do if this ever happens to you. Before we get into this, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. This is not legal advice. For your specific situation, always consult a licensed attorney. Every year, over 400 million travelers enter the United States. Thousands face searches at the border. Many have no idea what their rights are. That confusion can lead to serious consequences. Today we clear that up. Let's get into it. The truth starts with the Constitution, specifically the Fourth Amendment. It protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures. Here is exactly what the law says. The government usually needs a warrant to search your property. But there is a huge exception at the border. The border search exception changes everything. It allows agents to search without a warrant, and sometimes without suspicion. That sounds extreme, because it is. Here's something most people don't know. Even U.S. citizens can be searched at the border without a warrant. Yes, even you. Most Americans believe citizenship protects them fully. At the border, that belief is wrong. People think rights are the same everywhere. They are not. At the border, your rights are reduced. Not gone, but definitely weaker. The biggest mistake people make is thinking, I did nothing wrong, so I'm safe. That mindset can get you into trouble fast. Now that you understand the basics, what happens when things go wrong? That's where it gets serious. First, border agents can search your belongings without a warrant. Your bags, laptop, and phone can all be checked. No judge approval required. This comes from cases like United States versus Ramsey. That case allowed warrantless searches of international mail. It set the tone for border authority. What most people get wrong is thinking refusal helps. Refusing often creates more suspicion. It can escalate quickly. Second, your electronic devices are a gray area. Your phone holds your entire life. Photos, messages, banking apps. Courts are still figuring out the limits here. In United States versus Flores-Montano, the court allowed vehicle searches without suspicion. But phones are different. They hold deeply personal data. Some courts now require reasonable suspicion for deeper searches. Here's the part that shocks most people. Agents may still take your phone and keep it for days, even if you did nothing wrong. Most people think, they can't do that. Sometimes, they can. Third, you can be detained for questioning. You might be taken into secondary inspection. You may wait for hours. No arrest is required. This is legal under border authority powers. But there are limits. They cannot hold you forever without reason. Still, it can feel intense. Arguing aggressively usually makes things worse. Fourth, you still have rights, but you must use them carefully. You can remain silent. You can ask if you are free to go. But how you say it matters. Being respectful does not mean giving up your rights. It means protecting yourself smartly. Now listen carefully, because in the moment, panic takes over. Here is your action plan. If this happens to you, do this. Stay calm and respectful at all times. Ask clearly, am I being detained or free to go? Say you do not consent to searches without resisting physically. Never lie to a federal officer. Never resist or argue aggressively. Never unlock your phone without understanding your rights. And here is the exact sentence you need to remember. I do not consent to any searches, and I would like to speak to an attorney. This sentence can protect you more than silence alone. But how you say it matters. Now, there's something most people are never told. At the border, refusing to unlock your phone can still have consequences. You might not be arrested, but your device can be taken. That means losing access to your data for days or even weeks. Even innocent people go through this. This is the part nobody talks about. You have rights, but using them can come with real consequences. That's the truth. Rights are not always convenient. Sometimes they come at a cost. This is why knowing your rights before you need them is not optional. It is survival. Before you go, let's recap what you now know that most Americans don't. Number 1. Your Fourth Amendment rights are reduced at the border. Number 2. Border agents can search and detain you without a warrant. Number 3. You must use your rights calmly and strategically. If this video helped you understand your rights, share it right now. Not tomorrow, right now. Someone in your life needs this information today. Hit subscribe. We post new rights education every single week, and it could change everything the next time you need it. And if you want to go deeper, watch this video next. Remember, your rights only matter if you know them. And now, you do. This video was created for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Laws vary by state. Always consult a licensed attorney for your specific situation.